UGC and Delhi University continue to spar over the controversial four-year US-style degree, but it is the 55,000 students who are now being punished as colleges defer admission until the guidelines are clear. Meanwhile, DU students and teachers have planned another round of protests today over the newly proposed FYUP controversy.
Helpless students caught in the crossfire between a mindless ego battle of the UGC and the Delhi University.
FYUP should be rolled back immediately. It is our demand. We have been demanding that from last 1 year. The burden of one additional year, the financial cost of 1 year had been imposed last year over them.
A year ago, Delhi University introduced a four-year undergraduate program which has met with widespread protests from students as well as the faculty.
A lot of players, including teachers from all walks of life, all spectrums, students, student bodies, all other players concerned, their voices were suppressed. Nobody was heard when this was brought about in
Now, while the UGC is pushing for the four-year course to be scrapped, Delhi University is sticking to the US-style degree course.
So 4 years should be the norm. 3 years is not adequate right now. The way the course is constructed is something the Academic Council has to decide in his own wisdom because they are the appropriate body. UGC is not the appropriate body.
Meanwhile, the UPA government, who introduced the course, chooses to remain silent as the future of these students hangs in the balance.
I can give you a bite, you can put it in the newspaper, sure. But not on the camera.
But then
For now, colleges have withheld admission process till there is clarity on the undergraduate course. But it is the students who are paying the price as authorities remain divided. Bureau Report, Times Now.
Well, this issue clearly looks like it has hit a roadblock now. We have Vijay Kao with us. Vijay, tell us what is the latest development? And clearly the UGC and the FYUP seems to be on a collision course.
First of all, even speaking at the press conference that was held by Professor Aditya Narayan Singh yesterday, representing the DU Academic Council and the Executive Council, he had very categorically stated that he feels that this move by the UGC is politically motivated and it has taken place due to a change in political dispensation. So clearly he had made that statement yesterday. On the issue of what happens to the colleges, to the admission process, to the students, that is the most important thing, because caught in the crossfire are over thousands of students that seek admission to the Delhi University this year. Now, yesterday late evening in a development, there was a general body meeting held of an association of all principals of all Delhi University colleges, and in that meeting there were about 36 principals of colleges of Delhi University, and they together decided that they will not be carrying out the admission process which was supposed to start today, and they would be deferring it. By late evening we realized that there were almost all colleges have indeed deferred the admission process. Now this leaves thousands of students that had to apply to Delhi University colleges this year in lurch. They don't know what course they will be enrolled in, and B, when would that enrollment take place. Also is at stake the career of already a batch of students that has already enrolled in the FYUP program last year. There has been a committee that has been formed by the UGC, a 10-member committee, the mandate of which is to ensure that the 3-year program is implemented yet again, and also the fact that those enrolled in the 4-year program are migrated into the 3-year program back and they finish their course and get their honours degree. So the students are the ones that are suffering the most in this crossfire and in this exchange of blame between the UGC and the Delhi University officials.
जी देखिए, बिल्कुल सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि डीयू की स्वायत्तता की जो मांग है, क्योंकि यूजीसी 1 साल पहले कहाँ थी। यदि ये 4 ईयर इतना ही ख़राब है तो 1 साल पहले यूजीसी ने ही जो है शाबाशी दी थी, और आज वही यूजीसी जो है अपने स्टैंड से और ये बैक स्टेप जो है उसने ले लिया है। तो यूजीसी के रवैये के ऊपर सबसे पहला और ये जो प्रश्न है। दूसरा प्रश्न ये है कि कोई भी चेंज 1 या 2 दिन में नहीं होता है, तो 4 ईयर के ऊपर कोई कमेटी का और ये गठन हो ताकि स्टूडेंट की लाइफ के साथ में और ये खिलवाड़ ना हो। और सबसे बड़ी बात कि 1 लाख स्टूडेंट की लाइफ का यहाँ पर है सवाल। तो सीधी सी बात ये है कि 1 या 2 दिन में कोई भी आंदोलन या कोई भी बड़ा चेंज नहीं हो सकता है। इसके लिए सही ढंग से हमें आगे बढ़ने की आवश्यकता है।